Hello everyone, my name is Om, and today we discuss about access modifier in Java. There are two types of modifiers in Java: access modifiers and non-access modifiers. The access modifiers in Java specifies the accessibility or scope of a field, method, constructor, or class. We can change the access level or of fields, constructor, methods, and class by applying the access modifier on it. There are four types of Java access modifiers. Number one, private. The access level of a private modifier is only within the class. It cannot be accessed from outside the class. Number two, default. The access level of a default modifier is only within the package. It cannot be accessed from outside the package. If you do not specify any access level, it will be the default. Number three, protected. The access level of a protected modifier is within the package and outside the package through child class. If you do not make the child class, it cannot be accessed from outside the package. Number four, public. The public access level of public modifier is everywhere. It can be accessed from within the class, outside the class, within the package, and outside the package. There are many non-access modifiers such as static, abstract, synchronized, native, etc. Here's are going to learn the access modifiers only. Number one, private. The private access modifier is accessible only within the class. Simple example of private access modifier. In this example, we can create two classes, and a simple class contains private data member and private method. We are accessing modifier role of private constructor. If you make any class constructor private, you cannot create the instance of the class outside the class. Number two, default. If you don't use any modifier, it is treated as default by default. The default modifier is accessible only within package. It cannot be accessed from outside the package. It provides more accessibility than private, but it is more restrictive than protected and public. Example of default access modifier. In this example, we can create two package pack and my pack. We are accessing the class from outside its package. Since a class is not public, so it cannot be accessed from outside the package. Number three, protected. The protected access modifier is accessible within package and outside the package, but through inheritance only. The protect access modifier can be applied on the data member, method, and constructor. It cannot be apply on the class. It provides more accessibility than the default modifier. In this example, we have created the two packages, pack and my pack. The class of package public, so can be accessed from outside the package, but message method of this package is declared as protect, so it can be accessed from outside the class only within inheritance. Public. The public access modifier is accessible everywhere. It has the widest scope among all other modifiers. Outside the only it can be accessed from default. In this example, we have created provides more accessibility than the default modifier. In the access modifier can be applied accessible within package, access from outside the package. It provides more accessibility than private, but it is more restrictive than protect and public. Thank you.